Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have yesterday completed the big sums of regression. Now we shall move towards the small sums, and we are having again 4 small types of formulas. 3 big types of formulas we have seen, now we will have small types of formula. Let's write it. For formula for A and other things will not change, only the formula will change for B only. So we will give the heading formulas for small sums regarding regression coefficient B. Formulas for small sums regarding regression coefficient B. Type 4. Now no heading will be there directly. B is equals to, see in previous chapter we had the formula for covariance. R is equals to covariance xy divided by sx into s1. Here, as you know that the terms of y are deleted, so covariance xy divided by s will come, sx will come, sy will not come. Moreover, you know that square roots are removed and only one term is written, so we have to make the square of x also. So the formula will be covariance xy divided by s square x, because the terms of y's are removed and we have to use only one term without the square root, so use with square. Okay? Yes. Then type 5. B is equals to, if we don't have covariance, then sigma x minus x bar multiply y minus y bar divided by, whenever no covariance is there in denominator, n will come n into s square x. Instead of sx into sy, we will have s square x. Type 6. Instead of x minus x bar, sometimes we are having xy also. So xy, sigma xy minus n into x bar multiply y bar divided by n into s square x. And last, type 7. B is equals to r into sy by sx, where r is correlation coefficient from the previous chapter. Okay. Now down we are writing where s square x is variance of x, comma, if sd, that is sx is given, comma, take its square. Take its square. Other all things we know. R is correlation coefficient. These are the things which is to be known. Other formula for A and everything is same only, but according to the information, B's formula are 4 new, so total we have learned 7 formulas for B. Now let's complete our exercise 3.2 from sum number 6. Today we will complete this exercise, and the next day we will start exercise 3. And then again homeworks will be given. So people who are serious, we will do the homework. Who are not serious will not do. Okay, I am reading the 6th sum. All these sums now are of 5 from 5 to 3 marks. They are from 3 marks, because if you want to draw the column and do, then it is carries 5 marks. Now these sums carries 3 marks. The following information is given for 10 firms. So if you want, then n is 10. Running business of clothes in a city regarding their average annual profit in lakhs and average administrative cost in lakh rupees. Mean is given, standard deviation is given, covariance is given, obtain regression line y on x. We don't have to estimate, only regression line y on x. 3 steps are required. For that 3 steps, first we shall write the information. So this is exercise 3.2. In that, going for 6th sum, first writing down the information, particulars in that profit in lakh rupees, it is our x. Administrative cost in lakh rupees is our y. Mean is given, so this is x bar 60, this is y bar 25. Then standard deviation is given, of x it is sx 6, of y it is given, so sy is 3. Then covariance xy is given, covariance is given, which is denoted by COVXY, covariance xy, that is 10.4. So this is the data mentioned in the question. So we also have to write it. Okay. Now, looking at the information, formula for B is covariance xy divided by s square x. So here only sx is given. So for that we need to calculate variance of x, that is s square x is equals to sx whole square, 6 whole square is 36. Now we can start the sum. Regression line y on x, first step, regression coefficient b is equals to covariance xy divided by s square x, 10.4 divided by 36, b is equals to 10.4 divided by 36, 0.288, so B will be 0.29. Second step, intercept A is equals to y bar minus B x bar. Y bar is 25, B is 0.29, x bar is 60. So 25 minus 0.29 into 60, 17.4. 25 minus 17.4 is 7.6. So A is 7.6. And last, third step, fitted regression line. Formula y cap is equals to a plus bx, y cap is equals to 7.6 plus 0.29x, and as nothing is given, so estimation is not required. So this is our sum for 3 marks. Covariance is given, so we require variance of x, we have calculated, and after that regression coefficient b, then intercept a, and then the equation. Okay. So this is 6th sum. Let's go for 7th sum. So going for 7th sum, let's read out. The following information is obtained to study the relationship between average rainfall in centimeter, yield of maize in quintal per hectare in different talukas of Gujarat. Mean is given, variance is given, and correlation coefficient means R is given. Estimate the yield of maize when rainfall is 60 centimeters. So here estimation is also actually required. Okay. First, let's write the data. Particulars, rainfall in centimeter, this is our x, yield of maize per hectare, it's in quintal, it's y, me is given, so this will be x bar is equals to 82. This one will be y bar is equals to 180. Then variance is given, is denoted by s square x 64. Variance of y is denoted by s square y 225. Correlation coefficient that we denote by r is equals to 0.82. So this is the data. Okay. Now, whenever r is given, the formula for b is r into sy by sx. So we need standard deviations and instead variance are given. So standard deviations in that s square x is equals to 64. Therefore, sx is equals to square root of 64, that is 8. S square y is 225. Therefore, sy is equals to square root of 225 is 50. Now, regression line y on x, in that number 1, regression coefficient b is equals to r multiply sy by sx. R is 0.82, sy is 15 and sx is 8. So 0.82 multiply 15 by 8, it's 1.537, so it will be 1.4. Okay, second step, intercept. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is 180, b is 1.54, x bar is 82. So 180 minus 1.54 into 82, 126.28. So our A will be 180 minus 126.28, 53.72. So our A is 53.72. Third step, fitted regression line. Y cap is equals to a plus bx. Y cap is equals to 53.72 plus 1.54x. Okay. Next, number 4 is estimation. Okay. What thing is given? Let's read out. Estimate yield of maize. Yield of maize is y. If when the rainfall is 60 centimeter, rainfall is x. If rainfall x is equals to 60 centimeter, then yield of maize y is equals to question mark, y cap is equals to a plus bx, y cap is equals to 53.72 plus 1.54x, 53.72 plus 1.54 multiply 60. So 53.72 plus 1.54 multiply 60, 92.4 plus 53.72, 146.12 quintals. the sum, where data is readily given. As correlation coefficient is given, the formula is this. You have to remember, when sy sx is used, when s square y s square sx and x square y is used. So that thing you must know. Then after that b a, then equation, and finally the estimation. Okay, going for the 8th sum. The following results are obtained to study the relationship between price of battery cell of wristwatch in rupees x and its supply in 100 units. Okay, n is 10, sigma x is 130, sigma y is 220, sigma x square 2288, sigma x y 3467. Obtain regression line y on x and estimate supply when the price is 60. Okay, first let's write the data for 8th sum. N is equals to 10, sigma x is equals to 130, sigma y is equals to 220, sigma x square is equals to 2288, sigma xy is equals to 3467. Looking at this data, first decide for B that which formula will be required for B is the big sum formula, the type 2 formula, because see, x square and xy is given, so we can decide on basis of that. Only sigma xy is given and sx and that given, then it is a different thing. But here sigma x square and sigma xy both are given, so big formula, n into sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. So everything is given for B. For A, y bar minus b x bar. So y bar and x bar is not there, so first we will calculate that and then we will calculate the sum. As we require x bar and y bar in these all sums, x bar is sigma x by n, 130 by 10, x bar is 30. Y bar is sigma y by n, 220 by 10, y bar is 22. Okay. Now, regression line y of x. First step, regression coefficient b is equals to n into sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Okay, n is 10, sigma xy is 3467 minus sigma x is 130, sigma y is 220 divided by n is 10, sigma x square 2288, sigma x whole square means 130 whole square. Okay, 34,670 minus 130 into 20, 28,600 divided by 22,880 minus 130 square is 16,090. So 34,670 minus 28,600 is 6,070 divided by 22,880 minus 16,900, 5,980. So 60,70 divided by 5,980, 1.015 means 1.02. Okay. Second step is intercept. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is 22 minus b is 1.02, x bar is 13. So 22 minus 1.02 into 13, 13.26. 22 minus 13.26 is 8.74. Okay. Third step, fitted regression line. Y cap is equals to a plus bx. Y cap is equals to 8.74 plus 1.02x. Number 4, estimation. For that we have to read the question, what they are speaking. Okay, they are telling estimate the supply, and in the question it is written supply is y in 100 units, and when price is 16 rupees, so price is x. If price x is equals to 16 rupees, then supply y is equals to question. Y cap is equals to a plus bx. Y cap is equals to 8.74 plus 1.02x. 8.74 plus 1.02 into 16. 8.74 plus 1.02 into 16. 16.32 plus 8.74. 25.06. 100 units. Okay. So last sum is left. All the sums are almost same. This formula is second time only used. Otherwise it has only one sums. Let us see in the exercise that if these sums are there or not. Okay friends, so last sum of the exercise 3.2 we will complete today. The information regarding maximum temperature x, sale of ice cream y of 6 different days in summer for a city is given below. 6 different days, so any 6. Maximum temperature is x, sale of ice cream is y. X bar 40, y bar 1.2, sigma xy 306, s square x is 20. Now compare with the previous question. In previous question also sigma xy given, here also sigma xy given. But in previous question sigma x square is given, so that big formula. Here instead s square x is given, so formulas for small sums. And what will be the formula? Sigma xy minus n x bar y bar divided by n into s square x. Everything is given. Obtain regression line of sale of ice cream on maximum temperature. Estimate the sale of ice cream. Sale of ice cream is y, and when the maximum temperature x is 42 degrees Celsius. First, let's write the data. For 9th question, n is 6 days, x bar 40, y bar, so we should keep the unit also. X bar is 40 degrees Celsius, y bar is 1.2 lakh rupees, sigma xy is 306, s square x 20. So regression line y of x, first step, regression coefficient b is equals to sigma xy minus n into x bar into y bar upon covariance is not there, so n will come in denominator upon n into s square x. See, if xy is sigma xy is given and sigma x square is given, so big formula. But sigma xy is given and s square x or sx is given, then small formula. Okay. 306 minus 6 into 40 into 1.2 divided by 6 into 20. So 306 minus 6 into 40 into 1.2, it's 288 divided by 120. So 18 divided by 120, it's 0.15. Next, intercept A is equals to y bar minus bx bar, 1.2 minus 0.15 multiply 40, 1.2 minus 0.15 multiply 40 is 6. So it will be 1.2 minus 6 is minus 4.8. A is minus 4.8. Third step, fitted regression line. Y cap is equals to a plus bx, y cap is equals to minus 4.8 plus 0.15x. So this is our equation. Last step, estimation. Okay, let's see what's written. Estimate the sale of ice cream if maximum temperature is 42 degrees Celsius. Max temperature x is 42 degrees Celsius. Then sale y is equals to question. Y cap is equals to a plus bx. Y cap is equals to minus 4.8 plus 0.15x minus 4.8 plus 0.15 multiply 42 minus 4.8 plus 42 multiply 0.15 is 6.3 minus 4.8 1.5 lakh rupees. Friends, we have completed exercise 3.2 small sums. 3.2 big sums are over in yesterday and small sums are over today. So now friends, tomorrow we will go for exercise 3 and homeworks also will be given from it. So till that, write the things which are given, and that's all for today. Thank you so much.